Most of the users that will be in charge of changing front-end content or managing back-end content such as form submissions or calendar events should be one of the three administration section groups. These groups are the ones who have login access to the administration section of the site where we are right now using the /administrator trailing your site's address. These groups are manager, administrator, and superuser, with manager having the least access and a superuser being able to do anything. But let's break that down in a bit more detail. The manager group allows access to content creation and other system information from the back end. They can log in through the administrator interface, but their rights and access are generally restricted to content management. They can add, delete, and edit all content. This means K2 articles, modules, menus, anything content related. But they don't have access to the mechanics of Joomla, like the user management page we're on right now. In fact, the option to navigate here won't even show up on their screen. They also lack the ability to install components, so if you have someone in mind that you just want to be able to edit and create K2 items such as a blog, this is the best selection. The administrator group allows access to most administration functions. An administrator user has all the privileges on the back end as a manager, but they also have access to set options on and install and delete components. They have user manager access and can create new users like we just did. However, when an administrator accesses the user manager list, they can only grant or edit at their access level or below. In other words, an administrator cannot create or edit a superuser. Although the superuser accounts will populate in their list, the names will be grayed out and the checkboxes to the left will not appear. Administrators have the ability to do just about everything else except change, edit, or install site templates or make any changes to the site's global configuration options. The superuser group allows access to all administration functions. Only another superuser can create or edit a superuser account. Full access to all areas is given to superusers, and once created, they cannot be as easily deleted as only another superuser can delete a superuser account. Because of this, give a bit of thought to who you want to grant the highest level of access to. Superusers can block other users from logging in and even change the password on another account.